my assumption is still what I have heard. It's not safe, it's not clean. My dogs don't mind drinking out of it, but under this, what I consider a healthy beer.
Well, it's pretty bad. I've been in it with them, in boots and without, and it's very gooey on the bottom, and it's much cleaner than it was, and I credit Riverkeeper with that. They've done remarkable things.
I always hear people talking about how bad it is. Yeah. Is it like brown or something?
I think the water's clean. People may think it's dirty because like the brown color, but that's just natural. Like that's just the stuff under it, like in the water, that makes it look brown.
Yeah, I kind of think that it's not great, and I don't know for sure, and I don't know whether it's getting better or getting worse, or kind of staying the same.
Okay.
I mean, I think I'd be reluctant to swim in the Hudson here, a little further up, and I have swam in the Hudson further up.
Okay. I've definitely learned a lot throughout, this experience. I grew up thinking it was kind of dirty, it was mucky, you couldn't see through it, and I've definitely had my eyes open that that's not the case. Definitely moving in a very positive direction.
I think it's okay, like, it's fine. Maybe a little bit dirty, but, because sometimes I see garbage in it and stuff, or like, it just looks dirty because it's like brown, green.
And when I first started working in the at the community center, I didn't know as much, but then partnering up with different agencies like Riverkeeper and Strawtown Studios and the New York State DEC, started to learn a little bit more, especially through like the eel migration. So I'm starting to definitely see like the benefits of all the work that the agencies have been doing. I feel like since I was a kid, the water quality has changed significantly. I see that, when I was a kid, like I used to hear people saying like, oh, don't go in the Hudson, you'll come out with like something extra or something like this one. So now it's like I feel that more people are willing to go into the Hudson now just because of the fact that there's been such an effort to clean it up and then also just conserve.
They got a lot of people, with the sewage and everything that's, taken care of. I think it's a hell of a lot cleaner. Sure, way cleaner. And they put more restrictions on boats that go up and down the river that pump out their bilge, with the oil and whatever else they got.
Based on Tuesday, after we went up to the Buffaloes, figure out like the water's not too dirty. It's not dirty.
So the Hudson is not actually dirty. You see that brown color? It's usually caused because of the sediments being lifted because of the tides. Yeah, it's also a bunch of nutrients. It's rich with nutrients. That's why there's a lot of marine life.